I'm a fool for your love.
Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my hair from straights to curly. And I kind of do things a little bit differently whenever I'm going from straight hair or blown out hair back to my natural curly hair. Now, to be clear, I don't straighten my hair that often. I literally do it, I don't know, a couple times a year, usually for holidays, just to kind of switch things up and switch my look up a little bit. But yeah, I don't really do it that often. And whenever I do it, I literally just blow it out. I don't even use a straightener anymore. I just blow it out, and then I don't really put heat to it for a week, and then I keep my hair straight for a week. Luckily, I don't have super oily hair, so I can get away with having it straight for a week, and then I go back to curly. So I'm really not doing that much heat damage at all. I kind of use heat on it once, and then that's it. So yeah, so this is what my hair looks like straight. It's been about a week, so it's definitely time to wash it. But whenever I know I'm going to be wearing my hair natural again, I like to kind of give my hair some treatments and some little extra love. That way it curls back up really nicely and looks really hydrated, and my curls just look really good. So I like to apply hair oil in my hair the day I know I'm going to be washing my hair, or the night before I know I'm going to be washing my hair. And I'll just kind of let them sit in there for a while, and then I'll wash it out when I'm in the shower and I do my deep conditioning treatment. So today I'm just going to be using this oil. It's by a random company. It's called Hair Baby, and it's basically just like a mixture of essential oils, and it's supposed to help with hair growth. So I like to apply this on the temples where I have a lot of hair loss, and I just kind of like to massage that into my scalp. I'll kind of apply it all over, and then I've also been loving the Blueberry Bliss Curls Hair Growth Oil, and this I'll kind of mix with this, and again I just kind of take it, I apply it in my scalp, I massage it, I give my hair a good massage, and then I'm just gonna tie my hair back, and I'm actually gonna put a hat on to really like make sure it's really sitting in there, and then later on I'll shower and wash it all out. Okay, so I just showered. In the shower, I used the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Wash as my shampoo, and then I went in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Mask. And then after I wash that out, that is a deep conditioner. Now, I always deep condition after I've had my hair straight. And even if I don't have my hair straight, I deep condition about 2 times a week. And even after I wash that out, I still like to go in with a little bit of regular conditioner as well. But anyway, now that that's all done and my hair is clean, I'm going in with the Twisted SiSTA Curl Activating Cream, and I just apply that all throughout my head. And I also like to make sure my hair is really wet, so I do like to have a spray bottle in hand, and I just kind of rake this through. Some days I do like to be a little bit more specific, and I like to do my hair in sections, but today I was just kind of raking them through my whole head, not being super particular. And now I'm taking the Marc Anthony Curl Defining Lotion and mixing it in with a little bit of the gel from Twisted SiSTA that comes in the tub. I'm doing more of the Marc Anthony gel and then a little bit of the Twisted SiSTA gel. After I rake everything through, I like to give my hair a good shake just to make sure that it's not really sitting directly on my roots and that I kind of get the curls to activate by shaking it. And then I'm going in with the Denman brush. And again, this is one of those things that sometimes I like to be a little bit more specific and do my hair in sections with the Denman brush, but today I'm just kind of combing through random little sections, and I always make sure I curl the brush at the end just to close off the hair cuticles, and I'll give my hair a little bit of a shake. So I'm just going to do this throughout my whole head, and yeah, this just distributes the product throughout the whole head. It also clumps the hairs together so you have really defined curls. I love using this. I always like to make sure I get the back and the crown of my head because I feel like that's an area a lot of people forget. And then I also like to put a little bit more effort into the front of my hair as well, since those curls are going to frame my face. Then I'm taking a cotton t-shirt, just any kind of big t-shirt, and I'm just going to scrunch away and get out any of the extra water and product. Okay, once I've scrunched my hair, I'm then going to take this OGX Coconut Curls Mousse, and it got all over the place, but I like to use this to lock in my curls. So as you can see, my curls are starting to form, but this is just going to lock everything in and ensure I don't have as much frizz. I don't know, I just really like this product, so I'm just scrunching away with this product. I really like to scrunch because it just really helps the curls form. And then I'm going in with my hair dryer, and I'm just using a medium setting heat and medium setting heat. I can't talk today. And medium setting air. So I'm just going to diffuse my hair until it's pretty much dry. Okay, so now that my hair is pretty much dry, I'm then going to go back in with the mousse again just to lock everything in and prevent really any frizz from forming. I don't know, I just like to do this. So I'm just going to scrunch my hair, give it a little extra volume at this time, and also this product smells really, really good, so that's another reason why I like to use it. But yeah, that's pretty much how I do my hair. I'm just going over the curls in the front. As you can see, they really bounce back even after having my hair straight for a week. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, let me know what videos you want to see down below.